Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Hack of the Week at Orlando Harley Davidson South. My name's Dylan. I'm the parts guy. I'm here today to tell you about how to maintain your motorcycle the right way. Starting off first, we are going to start with the spray polish and cleaner. This is your quick polish. You can use this with any kind of microfiber cloth. This is just if you want to detail it for the next bike show, just something quick, get it on the road, get going. We do sell it in a package deal that comes with a microfiber cloth. These both are purchased at Orlando Harley South or any Harley Davidson dealership at that point. Engine Brightener Detail, this is for your engine. You spray this on top of the engine guards, the fans, anything that's not really too much chrome on it. This will knock off any of that hard debris. Just hit it with the hose and this takes it all off for you. So next will be the leather protector. This is for your leather seats, anything leather on the bag. We can use this to keep the sun damage off the bike, keep the leathers in great shape. You pay so much money for these great bikes. You want to keep everything nice on them, and this is just another tool for that. Alrighty, so next is the scratch and swirl repair. This is for if you take it somewhere and they're using dirty cloths and they're scratching up the material. This takes anything off of that top clear coat. This is great product. Again, use it with a microfiber cloth, anything not too rough. So next, we're going to talk about the denim paint cleaner. This denim paint cleaner is for the new models that have that flat denim look to them. This is the only product you should be doing a quick clean with on those denim products. Now, we talked about the spray polish earlier. We do not want to spray that on the denim products. You leave it with a satin look. It takes away from that matte look. This is the go-to stuff. I recommend this for any matte product just to clean it up. Quick wash just to get back on the road and for your normal bike shows and everything. We're also going to talk about the wheel and tire cleaner today. The wheel and tire cleaner, if you got some dirt on your tires, on the spokes, on the rims, whatever the case may be, you can knock off the dirt with this. Just spray it on there, let it sit for a few minutes, and just hose it right off. So we are going to talk about the bug remover next. Now we get these hard seasons of love bugs, anything, mosquitoes, whatever the case may be. If they get stuck on the fairing or even the front end, you spray this on there. This is great use with a microfiber cloth, or if you would like, we do sell a product for bugs specifically. This is a sponge form. It's a rough, gritty material. This will not damage your paint. You don't want to wash the whole bike down with it, just the areas with the bug, just to knock them off. Once you do knock them off, hit them off with a microfiber cloth and clean it up again with that polish, whatever the case may be. But this is your bug remover specifically just for the bugs. Alrighty, so next, if you really want to get down in those deep crevices, we do sell long Q-tip-like cleaning material. Now this stuff, you dip it in something, you want to just wet down the bike, dry it off, and get those hard to reach places. This is the stuff you need. This has got the length, this has got the strength. It won't break on you. You can dig in there just like you're digging in your ear. So if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so now. Again, thank you for watching our hack of the day. My name's Dylan Sheriff at Orlando Harley South. If you ever need anything, come in and see us. So if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so now. Again, thank you for watching our hack of the day. My name's Dylan Sheriff at Orlando Harley South. If you ever need anything, come in and see us.